In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a website page in Canva. Whether you're building a multi-page presentation, a portfolio, or a simple guide, adding a website page can give your project a live, web-style section that fits right into the rest of your design. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what you're seeing on screen, and share a few practical tips to keep everything tidy and consistent. Start by opening the Canva project you want to work on. In your workspace, you'll see your page thumbnails arranged in order, either along the side or at the bottom, depending on your layout. Navigate to the very end of those thumbnails. At the end, you'll spot a plus icon, which is Canva's quick way to add another page. Right next to that plus, there's a small downward arrow. That arrow matters because it opens a menu with more page options than the default Add Page button. Click the arrow to open that menu. You'll see a short list of commonly used page types. Since we're looking for something beyond the basics, look for the option labeled More. Selecting More expands the panel and shows additional tools and page types that aren't immediately visible. This is where Canva groups features that enhance your document but aren't standard pages. It's a clean way to keep your workspace simple while still giving you access to everything you might need as your project grows. Now, in the expanded options, find and click Website. As soon as you select Website, Canva inserts a website page into your current project, right where you are. You'll notice it appears in your page list like any other page, which means it follows your project's order and keeps your layout intact. From here, you're free to use it however you need within the context of your design, keeping your style consistent and your content organized. That's the full process. Simple, direct, and easy to repeat. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't immediately see the arrow or the More option, make sure you're focused on the page thumbnails rather than a separate editor panel. Also, because interfaces can shift slightly with updates, the position of the plus icon might vary between the side and the bottom, but the steps remain the same. Finally, once the website page is added, take a moment to confirm the order of your pages so your viewers experience your content in the sequence you intended.